Starting the test drive in this Cruze, I feel like the 1.4 turbo, it felt a bit less underpowered in this car than it did in the Buick Encore, the Chevy Trax. But there's a traction there as it started to rain. Of course, these tires don't have the best tread on them, but still with your traction control, not specifically dangerous. We're gonna give it some throttle here. So power is definitely not bad, especially for a car that gets you 30 miles per gallon city, 40 highway.